Hey everybody, Tracy Brown here. I hope you're doing really well. I had to jump on live early because I'm actually having some repair stuff going on today and it's gonna be loud when I usually do my video, so I thought, well, I better get this done before the loudness starts. So anyway, thank you for coming as usual. If you're here live, I appreciate that. So just today is an encouragement video. Today is a video around, this process is definitely not linear. So if you're having a rough day, a rough moment, a rough week, remember that whatever you're feeling isn't permanent, and it will be even less permanent, meaning maybe last a little bit shorter, if instead of flinching toward it and turning away, that we see if we can be a little more open to it and ask what's going on that feels like so much, what's feeling hard, and what am I constricting around, essentially. And so if you can start to do that with a lot of compassion, some curiosity, I think you might find that what feels like happening or coming up, or again, a rough day with your food or whatever, might not be as bad as it feels or that it could be like. So I hear people coming now. Anyway, just a really quick encouragement video for your day, for your weekend. If you have more comments or questions, please let me know. I'm happy to jump on it since this video is so short today. But yeah, if you're having an I feel fat day, if you're having a I messed up with my food day or didn't do as well as I hoped, just know that the next meal can be different, can be better, and just do the next right thing. And that might be grounding yourself, that might be getting some nature, and certainly watching these videos or talking to a friend. So anyway, thank you so much. If you have any topics you'd like me to discuss, please let me know, and I look forward to you, one, letting your friends know about these videos, and two, make sure you know they're all always on YouTube. Lastly, reach out if you need more support. So thank you so much and take care.